Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today I'm doing another video on another circuitry. This time I'm going to show you the Bedini coil circuit, or the Bedini Sequential Bipolar circuit. Long name anyway. This one I will find plenty of circuitry diagrams online. I will put them all in the description box and also in the comment section with the other components. It is fully transistor based. This one is a PNP transistor. This one is the NPN transistor. And the small general one I do not remember, but you will see it lately in the description. So we had before a nice simple nice simple P-channel MOSFET circuit, nice simple N-channel MOSFET circuit. Then we had this nice simple N-channel MOSFET and a NPN transistor. Come up, Dodo. Sorry about that. The birds of mine are driving me nuts. Anyway, yeah, a simple N-channel MOSFET and NPN general transistor circuit. And now I'm gonna run this. Gonna run it on 10 volts. Give it a little spin. As you can see, we have the nice back EMF going in the neon. You can clearly see that. Yeah, looking good. This circuit also works very good. It's like having two reed switches or mechanical switches on both sides of your coil. Driving on 10 volts, around 100 milliamps. Yeah, it's running pretty good. Yes. The pulse mode is still the same. I haven't done anything to it. As you can see, running very good. 10 volts at 100 milliamps. Small video, and as always, hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.